Alright, welcome back to episode 2 of my opinion on every bad business weapon. We're gonna look at SMGs and assault rifles. Imagine every other assault rifle, but boring. Imagine the AK, except you duct taped two of them together. This is what you get. I have no idea why this is in the assault rifles category. The better AN-94. I don't see anyone use it, but I heard it's pretty good. Some people say it's the best prestige zero gun, but in my opinion, there's better choices instead. It was cool for like an update, but that's about it. It's pretty good in my opinion. I really don't like this gun at all, and you probably look like a variation of this if you use it. Use this to be different. Huh? Huh? There is a 99.9% chance that you pre-bought this. You're quite the tryhard. I guess you're pretty cool. Everyone uses this thing with the marksman barrel. Actually, I like this thing. It's pretty cool. Probably used it once in your life and then never again. If you use this thing, I don't like you very much. I kind of forget about the fact that this gun exists. Look, Ma, I'm cool! Again, use it to be different. Never see anyone use this at all. Ladies, gentlemen, and attack helicopters, I present to you the Tryhard Gun! Hope you guys enjoyed this video because it was tiring to make.